Ciao Tesla people, another road trip today, most likely to Impruneta or some other town around there, maybe Strada in Chianti, we'll see. Weather-wise, looks like some clouds, but it's going to be nice. 19 degrees, it should be warming up, so I'm going to do a time lapse and I'll see you there.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time in the...
Ciao Tesla people, I'm in Impruneta again, and I wanted to show you this installation. And it's an art installation, and it's curated by an architect. And these are the terracotta vase. Impruneta is famous for these vases and this, how you say, art. You see there are vases everywhere. There's a cat over there, vases. So they do terracotta. And so this is an installation. And they put this, I don't know if it's glass or plastic. And you can see the sky. It's pretty cool. So it's curated by an architect, and the companies that make these vases, they helped to do it, which is pretty cool. Very nice. They're big ones still, you see? You see la terracotta, el vino. So these big vases were used to preserve wine and olive oil and food, of course. And you know, mostly now they use it for vases for plants and flowers and all that stuff. But some they use it even to preserve, maybe in some cantina, in some vineyards, winemakers and stuff. Maybe they use it for something. Not sure, but that's where they use it for, which is pretty cool, pretty interesting. Anyway, now I'm going back home, and maybe I'll do some other ride around here, okay? So I'll see you in a bit. So I'm back home, nice ride. The art installation of Terracotta was really cool. And I wanted to show you again the efficiency of the car. So I did 19.7 kilometers, so almost 20. Spent 1.7 kilowatt hour, 51 minutes, some traffic, and 87 watt hour per kilometer, which is pretty good. I spent only 1.7 kilowatt hour for 20 kilometers. Basically, one kilowatt hour is 10 kilometers, which is double what usually I calculated on average I'd done before, which is really, really cool. Anyway, please check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla, you can get a discount. Also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you next video. Ciao, Tesla people.